Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and today we're going to talk about organizing, how to organize. And basically we're talking about any room in the house, but I am in the kitchen, and I am around one of those little desk areas in the kitchen. And what happens a lot of times in this area is people don't quite know what to do with it. Do you treat it like a little office? Do you treat it like part of the kitchen? What do you do with it? And you can tell that this one has been just kind of is a catch-all. You have food on it, you have a box of photographs on it, and then there's a few things on it that looks like an office. So it's like, what do we do with this? Well, in organizing, what you want to do is just how does it work best for you? It doesn't matter what everybody does. It doesn't matter how next door neighbor would do it. It's like, what do you need? How would it work for you? In this house, there is already several desk areas, and so we really don't need a desk. What we need is just more catch-all and more organization. So one thing that you could do is, I love using really interesting, fun containers, and I am a container person where if it's in a container, then it will go back into the container and you can keep everything neat. So what I would do, those chocolate chip cookies look very good, but what I would do is one way you could do this is just take most of the things off, and like this is just an empty box. And so it's really just using up space. The housewife in this house loves magazines. She uses magazines all the time. And so if that is a big part of her life in this kitchen, then let's just get a great container. And we also need the telephone, so let's put the telephone here. We can keep the little scented reeds. And this way, this area looks very organized. The basket creates interest with the texture of the basket. All of these magazines, there's probably about 40 magazines in this, and they're all contained in this one interesting piece. This is Ann Myrick, and that is how to organize.